Hey everyone! Apple just dropped the iPhone 17 Air, and this isn't just another iPhone. At 5.6 millimeters thick, it's thinner than your credit card. But is it all style or does it actually work? First off, this thing feels wild. It's like holding a sheet of glass, sleek, futuristic, and almost too light. Apple says it's their biggest leap ever, and I believe them. But how'd they pull this off? Here's the cool part. Apple crammed all the tech into this camera bump. It's like turning a backpack into a fanny pack. Everything's there, just smarter. They even built a custom chip to keep it cool without a bulky heatsink. Genius. And no, it doesn't overheat. I've been blasting through Genshin Impact. No lag, no fire hazards. Now, the not-so-great battery life. You'll get 27 hours, which is fine. But Apple's fix? This snazzy battery pack. Boom, 40 extra hours. It's like a phone mullet, business up front, party in the back. Oh, and that single camera, in daylight it's shockingly good. At night, let's just say, bring a flashlight. How does it stand up to being dropped? Relax, it'll survive. Apple used tricks from the iPad Air, strategic metal frames, ultra-tough glass. But maybe still get a case? These translucent ones add zero bulk. Plus, there's a crossbody strap, because iPhones are fashion now, apparently. At $999, this isn't for specs nerds, it's for the look-at-my-phone crowd. The colors? Gorgeous. That light gold? Chef's kiss. Analysts say it's selling fast. Turns out people want phones that feel special, not just powerful. But here's the real tea. This isn't just about thinness. Rumor has it Apple's testing a foldable iPhone. And guess what? Mastering this tech means they can make a foldable that's actually pocketable. Mind blown. So, would I buy it? If you're all about design and don't mind charging more often, absolutely. Pre-orders start September 12th. Drop a comment. Love it or hate it. Smash that like button if you're hyped. Subscribe for more deep dives and stay tuned.